Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to take profit right here on Pocket Option. So the first thing that you need to know that right now if you go here to trading, we are here at Quick Trading Demo account or Quick Trading Real account. I'm using my demo account, so I'm using here the Quick Trading Demo account. But you can also go right here to Quick Trading Real account, because right now if you go right here to the order type, the only thing that we can do is buy and sell right here immediately for the amount of money that we filled in right here. So now if you go back right here to the Quick Trading Demo account, we can click here on buy, and now we just can create ourselves a position, and that's it. We want to take profit, so what we're going to do is select here on trading account and we go right here to the Forex MT5 or MT4. I recommend you to do MT4, and if you have a real account, click on real account, and if you have a demo account, select right here on demo account. And then what you will see right here is select first of all right here the lots that we want to create a take profit on. So now we do, let's say, 0.10, and then we select right here conditions for closing a deal. Then you will find right here the take profit and the stop loss option, and we are interested in the take profit. So we go right here to closing price and then select right here at take profit something like 75k. This is just an example, guys. Then right now what you will see right here, that when the price will goes up to 75k, he will automatically close or trade. So right now, if I click here on buy, you see right here that we created ourselves a position on Bitcoin. And if we go further, you see here at TP, take profit, that when he will hit 75k, that he will take the profit right here on Pocket Option. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.